and welcome to Carnival Breeze. Alright, let's get our workout on today. We ate breakfast, now it's time to get in some exercise. Good workout. That was a real good workout. Needed that. Ready to get on with the rest of our day. Let's do this.
Hey guys, so you've probably been wondering, where is Dana? Did she make it on the ship? I did. I know you haven't seen a lot of me, but yes, I am here and I am getting ready to go to Creativity at Sea. And so I think that's where they give us like craft projects that we can do on board. You know I love to craft, so let's go check it out. Thank you. So I'm here in my first Creativity at Sea, and we are making a nautical knot bracelet. Now I will say a lot of people have left because they already made this earlier on the cruise, so it looks like they're recycling and doing stuff again, and people weren't happy. So hopefully they'll change that. But I am going to get started and try to make my first one. So look, we got this. We got pieces of tape. Hook. So right now I'm trying to make a knot, and they say to make sure that you lay everything flat and it's not curled up, but it comes curled up, so yeah, that's where the hard
We're gonna go check out the Carnival WaterWorks. Oh my God! I thought I was gonna go upside down. So we just did the twister. Now we're gonna check out the drain pipe, which is the orange one right here, which basically looks like a giant bowl on the bottom. You're splashing me! Okay, now I need you to subscribe to my YouTube channel. I think that one was worse than the first one, because when you come out of that one, you're just basically laying down in the middle of the thing. You don't come out anywhere. So I think that one was worse. They really like that one so much. But the twister, super fast, a lot of fun. Check them out when you're in Carnival Breeze.
Woo! Yay! 5 hours later. Yay! And here he is, the MVP.
That was a good game. You know, Shaq was a really tough competitor, but in the end,
It's like he just stood there the whole time.
G49. G59. Oh, it's a bigger shark now. What's going on? What about Grandma? Oh, Grandma without teeth. Grandpa should have one teeth.
Want you to push it, doing days and at night, working up a sweat, push it real good.
Take my eyes off of you. That was so scary. Baby shark doo 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 doo, baby shark doo 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 doo, baby shark doo 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 doo. Mommy shark doo 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 doo, mommy shark doo 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 doo, mommy shark doo 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 doo, mommy shark. I hate that song.
You didn't finish it.
I don't know how it goes.
And why do you assume that the mama's smaller than the dad? Here goes.
B42, 17, 18, 19, 20. Our winner is David with 73 pink footballs.
So I'm here to talk to you about the other side of cruising. Now, Corey likes to go to all the events. There's a ping pong ball in the water, hairy man contest, barbecue place. But this is what I like to do when I'm on a cruise. I like to snuggle up in bed and get my Kindle on. Guys, I have read 4 books, listen to 2 on Audible. This is what I like to do. I like to alternate between the bed, or I like to sit out here on the balcony and read. Just want to show you both sides of cruising. You can do as much as you want, as little as you want. But come on, guys, there is nothing like sitting down on your balcony, reading and listening to this.
I think for me, my favorite port would be Puerto Vallarta. Me and a cruise director just recently bought some property there, so it's probably my favorite port. In terms of vacation, I love Osaka, Japan. I try to get there as much as I possibly can.
Hi, my name is Dana and I'm from Atlanta, and I have a quick question. I want to know the name of the products that you use to keep your laundry so white. So I know that may sound a little bit crazy, but my Clorox does not work like your Clorox, and I would like to know what you do to keep all the towels, the uniforms, and everything so white.
That's actually a great question. Yeah, that is the Ecolab product. That is the comes from the Ecolab company.
Okay.
That they are using the chemicals, mostly detergent.
Okay.
Yeah, Ecolab, ECOLAB, Ecolab. It's like, what do you say? Like, it's industry strength laundry detergent. Because Elena, so that brings up a question. How many pounds of laundry do you think we do a day here on the Breeze?
Okay.
Or tons?
We have like 8 machines by 400 pounds each. Big laundry machine, washer machines. In addition, the small washing machines are working every cycle 1 hour. It's come 24 hours plus an additional 1 hour break. Yeah, it's going to be a lot.
So Ecolab, girl, Ecolab.
Okay.
I think they sell it on eBay.
Okay, I'll be looking for it. Thank you. Hey guys.
Hey!
So we're at the Thrill Theater, and we've done this before, but we only got a chance to see level 2. So this time we are going to do level 1, 2, and 3. And just in case you're not sure what the Thrill Theater is, it's actually a 4D theater. So you get sound, picture, movement, water, fan, all that kind of good stuff. So we're gonna go check it out. They have 3 levels, so we're gonna do this first one now, which is, I guess, the PG level maybe. Level 2 is more PG-13, and then level 3 is gonna be your rated R horror movie, kind of Jason, Friday 13 kind of stuff. So we'll check it out and let you know what we think.
Don't know if we can videotape it, but look at these lovely glasses. You look fashionable in those.
They don't match?
No?
No. Why
Well,
are
that's
yours
okay.
black?
I don't know. We're still gonna look silly either way, it doesn't matter.
1, freeze. Con los terroristas. You go back, you go back. Are you ready, everybody? Hey! Oh, yeah!
One quick thing that I want to notate about Carnival Breeze is that some of these doors open real slow. Watch how slow this door right here opens. "30 minutes later, I am through the door."
This thing's over sensitive.
Here's 16th place.
This is hard.
Pool time. Time to get the pool. Pool time. So we're standing in Carnival WaterWorks, and we're gonna see us get splashed by the big bucket. It's gonna be cold. Why?
I wasn't sure if they were on your face. I am not that side.
I turned it around. notification bell so you know every time we post new videos. We got tons more content coming. Carnival Breeze.
Bittersweet memories. That is all I'm taking with me.
Oh,
Dance.